Right, we're going to use the IQR method to test for outliers for this data set. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 rows of 13, so I have 26 positions. Alright, I need to list these in order from smallest to largest, so I'm going to write them above and below. Magic, it's done. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to get our 5-number summary. We're going to find the IQR, get our upper and lower boundaries, and determine if there are any outliers. So the 5 numbers is the smallest. The largest. The median, which I'm going to count backwards. It's going to be 4 and 4. So I would take these two are in the middle. I'm taking the average of these two numbers. They're both 4. So it will be 4. Here and here. Alright. So to get the position of my first quartile, I need to go 25% of the way of these 26 positions. So we get 6.5. Alright, so when we get a decimal number for this quartile position, you're going to round up to the next whole number. Not round off accurately, just go to the next whole number. So we're going to use the 7th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 3. So the position of my third quartile is 75% of the way of these 26 positions. Is 19.5. So I'm rounding up to the next position. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And it's going to be 7. Even if this was 19.1, you're still going to the next whole position. Right, the next thing we need to do is get the inner quartile range. Third quarter minus the first quarter. So 7 minus 3. So the range for this data set in the middle 50% is only 4. Inner quartile range. Our lower outlier boundary is going to be when I take this first quarter and subtract 1.5 times the inner quartile range. Three minus 1.5 times 4 is -3. So anything below a -3 does not belong in this data set. Our minimum value is 2, so we do not have any lower outliers. Our upper outlier limit is when I take the third quarter and I add 1.5 times the inner quartile range. So I'm going to take 7 plus 1.5 times 4. And that's 13. Anything above 13 is an outlier. It does not belong in this data set. And I have 15 and 25. So 15 and 25 are greater than 13. Are both outliers.